umbrella. Yeah, you can see for the wine umbrella, the size is 21 inch. And if all of them will have a box, gift box like this, yeah. And umbrellas would be packed inside like this. We can add your logo. Here with the one color, and that would be very cost effective. Yeah. The umbrella is like this. It is 21 inch. 21 inch. And it is a reverse manual open design. Reverse umbrella with the manual open design. The fabric is 170 punch with the silver coated. It is a good option for personal use, and if you have a financial budget is not very high, like the 100 pieces, 200 pieces, we are also acceptable this quantity. You can see we can print your logo here. 1 panel, 2 panels, 4 panels is selected. And the panels are printed by silk screen print. Full metal frame, yeah, full metal frame.